If you're running into Steam error codes, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common fixes that can solve connectivity problems, login issues, and even file corruption errors in just a few minutes. These Steam errors can look confusing at first, but in many cases the solution is very simple. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you should always try is the simplest fix. Restart Steam and restart your computer. A lot of Steam error codes are caused by temporary glitches, background conflicts, or a stuck network session. Close Steam completely, make sure it is not still running in the system tray, and then reopen it. If that does not work, restart your entire computer and try again. This one step alone can fix a surprising number of issues. If Steam still gives you an error, the next thing to check is your game files. Corrupted or missing files are a very common reason for Steam problems, especially when a game will not launch or keeps crashing. To do that, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that is having the issue, click Properties, then go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace anything that is broken or missing. Depending on the game, this can take a few minutes, but it is one of the most effective fixes you can use. After that, move on to clearing the Steam download cache. If your downloads are stuck, updates fail, or Steam is acting strangely, cached data may be the issue. In Steam, click Settings, then go to Downloads and select Clear Cache. Steam will usually ask you to sign in again after this, so keep your login details ready. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary download data and help Steam reconnect properly. Another major cause of Steam error codes is your network connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible, because an unstable wireless signal can cause login failures, download errors, and timeout messages. Also, if you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and test Steam again. Steam services sometimes block or struggle with certain VPN routes, and that can trigger errors even when your internet looks fine. If you are still having problems, try checking whether your Firewall or Antivirus is interfering with Steam. Some security tools can block Steam from connecting properly or prevent game files from being verified. You may need to allow Steam through your Firewall or temporarily test with security software disabled, as long as you do it carefully and only for troubleshooting. Another thing worth doing is checking Steam status and your internet connection in general. If Steam servers are having issues, the problem may not be on your device at all. In that case, waiting a bit and trying again later may solve it. You can also sign out and sign back into Steam if the error seems related to authentication or account verification. If you have tried all of these steps and the error is still there, repeat the process in order. Restart Steam in your PC, verify the game files, clear the download cache, and check your network setup. Those 4 steps solve many of the most common Steam error codes users run into every day. So if you were stuck on a Steam error, try these fixes one by one and you should be back in your game much faster. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment below if you want a guide for a specific Steam error code next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.